The big secret of dealing with people. Principle 2, give honest and sincere appreciation. The deepest principle in human nature is the craving for appreciation. Be hearty in your approbation and great in your praise, but avoid hollow flattery. There is a distinction between appreciation and flattery. Flattery is self-centered and deceptive. People want to feel important, and someone should appreciate and encourage them to feel that way. It occurs when we stop thinking about ourselves and start thinking about what the other person has going for us. Words have an impact on us, whether good or bad. Sharp words can affect people and take time to forget. How much more appreciation is there? People will remember and treasure your words for the rest of their lives. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 1, Fundamental Techniques in Handling People. Subscribe, like, follow for more.